How's it going, guys? My name is Tanner Campbell,
Carson Lyle.
and today we're going to be presenting a presentation on lean construction.
So lean construction started in the manufacturing industry in the 20th century, early 20th century, mainly in the car industry where you're having large assembly lines with several processes over and over and over again. And Toyota is actually the company that really pushed this into the modern 21st century. They looked at their processes and eliminated as much waste as possible and determined the 5 pillars of lean, which are value stream, flow, perfection, and pull.
So with that comes the 8 wastes of lean. Big ones for us are going to be defects. Up here, wasting time and unutilized talent on a job site. So defects for us is going to be something when we have something go wrong on the project that is going to waste us time, money, manpower, and material, all things that lean strives on. So with that, you come with wasting time with your guys here. You can see in this picture here, there's a guy running a concrete saw, and you have all these people waiting around, watching and looking when they could be doing other things to benefit the job and move it forward in the process to maybe even get on schedule or ahead of schedule on your schedule. For unutilized talent, again, you don't want people to be in the right or in the wrong spot, doing something they shouldn't be doing. That's another thing that could put you behind or not get you ahead or not help you in any way, shape, or form whatsoever. So those are 3 of the big ones that are going to come with us in the construction field.
So how do you mitigate those wastes in the construction industry? The first thing you're going to want to do is pull plan your project. So you're going to get a start date, get an end date, determine your task from start to finish, and then you're going to pull backwards from your finish date, scheduling each task consecutively, determining what needs to get done next and next all the way back to your start date. And then once you have your schedule plan, you need to get in contact with your subcontractors and have them get on board, see if it can fit into their schedule, if they can agree to it. And once they do, while you're in the field actually performing the project, you have a lean board, and they can be set up several different ways. Commonly, the subcontractors have a color or a number, and they're tracked that way. You track their progress through 2-week look ahead, so 2 weeks of work that they've committed to that they want to get done. You look at percent of complete on tasks, how many tasks they've actually gotten done, and then you look at constraints. What happened where they weren't able to get it done? Was it weather? Was it manpower? Was it material delivery? What's happening, and how can we fix that and mitigate that wasted time for that 2 weeks? And then the next thing is 6 weeks look ahead, which could be where you bring in maybe a superintendent or a president, depending on how big the subcontractor actually is, and have them commit to 6 weeks of work that's coming down the schedule, and really plan out how they're going to schedule their manpower and help them figure out what they're going to do in order to eliminate as much waste as possible on the project for them. So the final kind of idea on this is if you identify the areas where lean can be applied in your project, whether it be subcontractors, what have you, schedule, you have to get your team and your subcontractors to commit to those ideas and consistently perform them and carry them out. And once you agree on the ideas and carry them out, you can save material and time, and ultimately make more money for your project.
Thank you, and that is our presentation on lean construction. We appreciate it, and y'all have a good day, all right?